Guys, it's Erick Pardo here, and we're ready to do an air filter change on the Corvette. First things first, clean out the trunk. A lot of filters online to choose from. This is the one I picked. Next, remove these two panels on either side with a number 15 Torx Driver. There are a couple of button clips located right here on the end. And if you have a tool like this, you'll be able to take it off pretty easy. Two on each side. Once you have those clips off, this pulls right out. Next, there are 19 of these Torx screws holding on this panel. Let's take it off. Okay, got them all off. Here we go. And that's what you got on the inside. While you're in there, always clean up. Clean. Now I'm going to take an 8mm driver and take off the cover. There were 3 screws on the top and 3 screws on the bottom, and the car said yes, change the air filter, and it is dirty, so change your air filter. Okay, next we're going to put the new filter in. This notch goes up, and if you've seen some of the other videos, warm this up a little bit, maybe use a little bit of waterless wash so that it goes on, because it's pretty snug. The heat gun and waterless wash work perfectly, so let's get everything back together. Okay, first thing, get this gasket back on, give it a little clean and a wipe before you put it on. Cover is on and clean. Now we'll just get the rest. That cover's on. Okay, time for the liner. When you put in the liner, if you get these 2 posts on either side in first, it'll go in a little bit easier. So now for the last post covers. And then we'll get these 2 panels on last and we'll be done. Side panel number 1. Side panel number 2. Guys, we are done. Took about an hour. I took a little bit longer just because I wanted to film, but it's super easy. You can do it. Get your air filter, whatever you like. Make it your own. Thanks for watching. Okay, guys, when you do your air filter, some things that are going to change. The sound is probably going to change also. I don't know what it's going to sound like here, but here we go. Let's start it. Sounds fine. And I've seen some other videos where it's a little bit difficult to get on, so I'm going to put a little bit of waterless wash on here just to give it a little bit of lubrication to slide in. That sounds weird. Okay.